last video, we have discussed about how to change active into passive voice and passive into active voice of present tense, that is simple present, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. In this video, we are going to study about how to change active voice into passive and passive voice into active voice of past tense. Now, first we have to write structure of past tense. First we write structure of simple past tense. See, this is the structure of simple past tense. Subject plus V2, or we can call it as second form of the verb, plus object. And now write one sentence, because we have to study active voice, passive voice, or how to change active into passive and vice versa with the help of some sentences, with the help of examples. So example is very important. And now here we'll take example. He noticed some movement. Now this is the structure of simple past tense. Simple past tense and voice is active voice. Subject plus V2 plus object. That is the structure of simple past tense. And we have written one sentence. He noticed some movement. Now students, we have to change this active into passive voice. For that purpose, we must know what is the structure of passive voice of simple past tense. Now here we write passive voice of simple past tense. We have to begin sentence with object, then we have to use was or where. Was and where, these are the helping verbs which we use in past tense. Then we have to use V3, or we can call it as third form of the verb or past participle of the verb. Once again, remember students, in passive voice we have to use third form of the verb, and so that you must know third form of the verb or what are the second form of the verbs. Then we have to use by and then subject. Now we have to write down this particular sentence into passive voice with the help of this particular structure. Now we have to begin our sentence with object. Object, some movement. Then was or where, some movement was. Then V3, noticed. By him, some movement was noticed by him. This is the passive voice of the given simple past tense sentence. So this is how we have to change active into passive or passive into active of a simple past tense. Now we turn towards the next tense. Next tense is past continuous tense. this is the structure of past continuous tense from active voice. Subject plus was or were plus VING. We add ing suffix to the main verb and last one is object. Now write the same sentence in past continuous tense. He was noticing some movement. Now the sentence is in active voice and now we have to change this active voice into passive voice. See, this is the structure of passive voice of past continuous tense. Object, as we have to begin passive voice from object of the given sentence, then was or were helping verb from the past tense. If subject is singular, we have to use was. If subject is plural, we have to use were. Then been, then third form of the verb plus by plus subject. Now write the same sentence in passive voice. We have to begin our sentence with object. Some movement. See, here we begin our sentence with object. Some movement is the object of the sentence. Then was or were, was helping verb we have used. Then being. Then third form of the verb noticed by him. So this is how we have to turn active voice of past continuous tense into passive voice. Now we turn towards the next tense. Now this is the structure of past perfect tense of active voice. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. And we write the same sentence. Some movement. Now we have to turn this active voice into passive voice, and the structure of past perfect tense from active passive voice is, as we have to begin the sentence with object. Object, structure of passive voice of past perfect tense. Object plus had plus been plus V3 plus by plus subject. And now write the same sentence in passive voice. We have to begin our sentence with object. Some movement perfect continuous tense. But we can't change past perfect continuous tense into passive voice.